In this tutorial, we'll learn how to create a team contest in OKRify. First, navigate to the Contest Create page by searching for Create Contest in the app launcher. Once there, enter a contest name. For this example, we'll use Sales Champion Sprint 2024. Next, choose the contest type. You have two options, User and Team. We'll select Team, since this is a team contest. For user contests, check out our separate tutorial. There's also a User View toggle button. Enabling this will make the contest visible to users. Now, set the start and end dates and times for the contest. Additionally, select the time zone to ensure the contest runs according to the specified time zone, regardless of where participants are located. If your organization uses multiple currencies, you'll see a currency option. For this tutorial, we'll select USD. Below, you'll find fields for contest owner, contest team, and users. Let's add a team. For example, we'll choose Sales Europe, which automatically assigns the Sales Europe team manager as the contest owner and its members as users. You can adjust this by adding or removing owners or users. To add another team, click the plus button, and a new row will appear to add a team to the contest. Here we'll enter Sales America, which will add the team members as users and the manager as the owner. Now, the contest is between Sales Europe and Sales America. You can add more teams by clicking the plus button. The contest will be between these teams. Next, we move to the prize section. Click the arrow next to the prize label to expand it. Here we'll add prizes. Click the plus button to add a new row for each prize. The position will automatically default to first, second, and so on, with each new prize added. For the first position, we'll enter the grand prize, a weekend getaway for two to a luxury resort. Then, for the second position, we'll enter a premium smartwatch. Each prize has a color option beside it, which allows you to select a background color for the position rank icon displayed in the contest hub. For example, if you choose green for the first position, the first rank icon will appear with a green background. Here, we'll only add 2 prizes for now. The next section is the leaderboard/rank list. Click the arrow to expand the section, where you'll find the user default view with 2 options, rank list or KPI list. If you select rank list, users will see their rankings on the leaderboard. If you choose KPI list, users will see the KPI details instead. Next, you can specify the number of positions to display. For example, if you set it to 5, only the top 5 positions will be shown on the leaderboard. Finally, there is an Enable Leaderboard toggle. Enabling this toggle allows all contest users to view other users' KPIs in the leaderboard. Now, let's move to the notification section. In this section, you can send notification messages about the contest to the users. You have the following options for notification timing: before contest start, contest end, and specific time. For the specific time and before contest start options, you can choose the date and time to send the notification. For the contest start and contest end options, notifications will be sent automatically at the contest's respective start and end times. Add a message by clicking the right icon next to each time field. Different messages can be added for each option. Notifications will only be sent for the options you select using the checkboxes. Next, we'll add KPIs to the contest. For this example, let's add the KPIs to the contest. Check out our KPI tutorial video to learn how to create KPIs. To add KPIs, search for their names in the KPI search field. All available KPIs in your organization will appear. First, we'll add closed opportunity amount. Next to the KPI field, you'll see Assign To. Select the appropriate field from the object used in the KPI. This field will determine which record value is assigned to each user. In this case, we'll select the Owner ID field from the opportunity object. Then, choose how the contest score should be calculated for this KPI. You have 3 options. Total value assigns points equal to the KPI value. Points allows you to specify the number of points for a specific KPI value. Percentage of target assigns a user score based on the percentage of their target achieved. If you choose percentage of target for point calculation, you can set the target for the KPI. You can define a single target for all teams or click the custom target icon to set different targets for each team. Clicking this icon opens a pop-up where you can adjust targets individually for each contest team. In this case, we'll select points and assign 1 point for every 1,000 KPI value, which corresponds to the closed opportunity amount. Next is the weight field. Enter the weight for this KPI. Here, we're using only 1 KPI for the contest, so we'll set the weight to 100. If you have multiple KPIs, distribute the weights based on their importance in the contest, ensuring the total weight across all KPIs equals 100. The next field is KPI dates. Use this field to specify different dates for the KPI if you want the KPI tracking period to differ from the contest duration. Once all details are entered, click Save and Activate to activate the contest. Your team contest is now ready to go. Now, both managers and users can view their contests in the cockpit as well as on the contest page. Since the cockpit is the central page to view various information in one place, you can access contests here with essential features. On the contest page, you have complete control over managing contests. Let's see how contests appear for managers and users in the cockpit and on the contest page. First, let's go to the cockpit. In the cockpit, on the right panel at the top, you'll find the Live Contest banner. This banner shows the number of live contests. Simply click on the banner to load your contests. If you have many contests, click the More option in the Contest panel to view the complete list of available contests. Clicking on a contest name will load its details. If you are the contest manager, you can view team rankings in the contest details. In the top right corner of the contest section, there is a leaderboard icon where you can view user positions, KPI values, and scores. Note, if the contest has only one KPI, the leaderboard will not be available for team contests. Next to it, you'll find an edit icon, which allows you to make changes to the contest. Lastly, there is an info icon where you can view details such as the contest start and end dates and the manager's name. For users participating in the contest, they can view their team position and KPI values in the contest view. They can also check if the leaderboard is enabled by the manager and use the info icon to see contest details. Only managers can edit the contest. Now, let's move to the contest page to see how contests appear here. In the contest page, there is a left panel where you can see a list of all your contests. Clicking on a contest name will load its details in the right panel. The functionality here is similar to the cockpit, but the contest page allows you to view current contests and closed contests also. If you are a manager, you'll also see a separate category for manager contests. To know complete information about the contest page, check out the video tutorial on the contest page. This streamlined interface ensures managers and users have everything they need to track, manage, and participate in contests efficiently.